Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to connect an earbud to your Samsung TV. So first we have to start the pairing mode on this one. Okay, we'll just open it so it's now in pairing mode. And after that we have to go to the settings. In order to go that, use your remote and then select this to go to the settings. Okay, then after that scroll to the Bluetooth speaker section. It will take some time and it will start to scan the Bluetooth devices that are in pairing mode. You will see that the headphone shows S10 which needs pairing. Click and select pair and connect. It is connecting to the S10, which is the name of my earbud. It is taking some time. You see, it is connected now. S10 is connected. So then press OK. And from now on, if you play any music, it's going to play on your Bluetooth speaker. And we also, if you want to stop that, just turn off your earbud. So this is how you connect your earbud to your Samsung TV. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.